Alright, hello folks. What I have here today is a 2009 Toyota RAV4 limited edition, and this car got a rusted out center muffler, and today I'll be replacing that. And what I have here is a new replacement muffler and pipe clamp, 2 new bolts just in case I have to replace the old ones, and a gasket, a cordless impact gun, reciprocating saw with a metal cutting plate, and a angle grinder with a metal cut-off disc. So just in case this won't cut through the pipe, so I'm gonna use this saw. And I got this part from partsavatar.ca. It took kind of 2 weeks for them to ship it to me. Yeah, two weeks to get to my front door. Well, anyway, I have it today. First of all, I'm going to jack up the right side of the car just for better view and more room to work under. Well, as you can see, my wrap is kind of wet. I just went for a car wash to make it look cleaner for doing the video. So the water's still dripping down. Maybe wet a bit, but let's jack up the car first and we'll go from there. Alright, you can see I have the car jacked up on one side, and I have another jack stand to support the front part of the exhaust. And I marked up right there just to cut it out and take out the muffler for now. Yeah, then I'm gonna remove the rear bolt. And this muffler, the original one, is longer than this Walker aftermarket one. So I gotta be careful when I cut that pipe. So we just cut about 12 inches from the muffler to the front for now. And see how it goes after. Okay, I'll do the rear bolt removal now. Yeah, as you can see, I also use this rust penetrating oil to loosen the rust for those bolts. Yeah, liquid wrench, super penetrant to make it easier to remove those old bolts. One. Two. All right. Oh, there's water in there. Well, bolt number 1. Where's the spring bolt number 2? There we go. All right. So, and that could stay there. Now, I'm gonna cut the front. Yes, you can see I have my safety glasses on. Yeah, you may have noticed that I didn't have them on when I undo the bolt, but now I'm gonna cut this pipe off. Gonna be sparks flying everywhere. So safety glasses on. So I'm gonna use this reciprocating saw with the metal plate. So I think I feel comfortable with this one than the angle grinder with the cut-off wheel. So let's try with this one first. Okay. Oh, no lights there. So I'm gonna cut right here. That's 12 inches from here, that out first, and I'll do one more cut after. So roughly right there. Alright guys, it's not bad. Easier than I thought. So I got it cut off right there for now. And this one, the front pipe still supported by this jack stand. So now I'm gonna remove this muffler and take it out, compare with the new one. There. Pop out. Alright. Pair of pliers, crowbar. A lot shorter one would be nice, but I don't have one, so I use this one. Alright. Bring that out. Well, as you can see guys, this is the old muffler. Look at that. Yep, rusty. Really rusty. Rusty really badly. Oh, look at this. No wonder making too much noise. I can't even stand. For the first time I'm driving it today. So, it's actually my wife's car, by the way. So, now replace it. Okay. Now bring it over there and match with the new one. And see. Alright, look at that guys. So we got a new muffler on top of the old one. I'm lining up this end. And come. You see the new muffler is shorter than the old one. And look at that. I am really close. I almost cut it too short. Oh la la. So, well, that would make the front pipe goes inside this much. This much now. Oh, really tight. But, wow, it could have been bad. Could have been bad. Even though I cut this one 12 inches. So cut right here. Ideally, it should be right here. So then that old pipe can go inside here. But I think, oh, that's lucky shot though. Well, now I'm gonna put this gasket on here, and new bolt. Compare the new bolt with the old bolt. I'm gonna reuse the spring and the bolt. The new bolt is kind of longer too. And OMG, look at this. It doesn't come with any nut. Oh, and the new one doesn't come with any nut either. Well, I'm gonna either knock out these nuts or I see I can find a new one in my hardware box. Alright guys, so I found we got new bolt, new nut. As the new muffler doesn't come with a welded nuts like the original one. So, and the new bolted bar didn't come with a nut either. So I found two nuts from my hardware box and a gasket here. I'll put it over here. I'll get it ready. And put on the muffler, the new muffler now. I'll get that cardboard. I don't need it. Well, we got these clamps preset here. Let's set up this muffler now. Alright, how are we gonna do this? I'm gonna clean out that old pipe a bit. Wire brush. I'll spray these with some grease to make it easier to slide the muffler back on. Well, I use lithium grease, but whatever grease or oil lubrication you have, you can use it. Well, let's set the back on first. Back hanger. All right. Back is in. Run. Set it inside here. No, I think I'm gonna squeeze it. Yep. All right. Yes. Sit on the hanger. And I try to push as much to the front as possible to before I clamp this one on. Alright, we got a situation here, guys. The new bolt, this part is longer than the original one. So it stopped too far away. So I'm afraid it's gonna have a leak. So I'm gonna go back and use this original one. Alright, scrap the aftermarket bolt. Piece of junk. Alright, back to the original one. So, torque check. Should be tight. So now I'm going back to the front. So hopefully my front pipe goes in this much. So I'm going to try to lock this one up about this. Okay. Done. Alright, so my hanger is in. Alright, so I got the front catalytic converter joined with the new muffler. Hangers in place. There's a drain hose right there. I'm not sure that's for any reason or defect. So play a water drain hole. Now you can see it's very close to the chassis there, but it's really tight. And the rear, so I end up using the original bolt with new nuts because the new bolt is really long. The threaded part is too long and it will stop early. So and the hanger at the back is in. All right, now I'm gonna drop the car down and open the garage door and do some honestly, you can do some leak tests before I drop the car down. All right. Muffler. Any leaks? Nope. Nope, I don't see it. Oh, there's air coming out here. No, that's for the drainage or what, but there's a hole right there. And the rear. No. No leaks. Well, there you have it, guys. New exhaust. Okay, that's done. I got a new exhaust. Hopefully the wife will be happy. No more complaints. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to clean up the mess now. Bye for now. Take care.